5 facts about the knee. This is the right knee looking from the front. Fact number 1. The knee joint consists of 3 bones: the thigh bone or the femur, the shin bone or the tibia, and the kneecap at the front of the knee. This is known as the patella. Fact number 2. The bones themselves are quite unstable on each other and they can move out of position quite easily. Fact number 3. The knee joint is stabilized by a combination of ligaments which connect bone to bone and muscles around the knee. Fact number 4. There are 2 types of ligaments in the knee. Ligaments that live outside the knee joint capsule, which are on the side of the knee. So in this right knee, the left-hand side of the right knee has a medial collateral ligament from the side and a lateral collateral ligament on the other side, which is the right-hand side of the right knee. There are 2 ligaments inside the knee joint itself. The anterior cruciate ligament at the front of the knee joint and the posterior cruciate ligament at the back of the knee joint. Fact number 4. The knee joint has 2 rubbery shock absorbers known as the meniscal cartilages or the menisci. There are 2 of them, one on the inside, the medial side or the medial meniscus, and one on the outside, the lateral side or the lateral meniscus. The function of these meniscal cartilages is to increase the surface area of contact of the thigh bone with the shin bone, and because the surface area is increased by the meniscus, it reduces the contact pressures in the joint. Fact number 5. The kneecap sits on the thigh bone, and the joint between the kneecap and the thigh bone is known as the patellofemoral joint. The kneecap inherently can move sideways, and most of the time it moves to the outside of the knee when it dislocates. So in this right knee it moves to the right-hand side, and in the left knee it would move to the left-hand side.